Good morning, we are back at Pleasure Beach. It's finally open for the start of the 2024 season. Let's go. So we've just been told there's quite a lot of downtime today. So Ice Blast is still having its maintenance, which is upset Willow because she wants to go on Ice Blast so much, didn't you?
No.
So the rockets are on. Valhalla looks on. Let's have a walk around here and see. But good thing we couldn't get on it today, but we'll come at end of the month. Go on it again.
I won't be able to stand that song for too long though.
So we're going to head towards and see if Ghost Train's open, because it seems to have a refurb this year.
And a big cube.
Well, yeah, this is the other thing open, isn't it?
Yeah, I guess so.
So it looks like the skull up there's had some paint work. I don't know if that's new on front. Is that new on front, the train? That's always been there, hasn't it?
What train?
The train up there.
That's new.
Let's go on the Ghost Train and see what has been changed. Inside. That's not working again. Working before?
It was working before.
Yeah. I just don't understand how this doesn't work. So we just ridden the Ghost Train. How do you think it was, Willow?
It was better than last time. There's a new church. It's quite creepy when you first go in.
So the mannequins are stood there and they look like they're going to move, but they don't. The girl in the frame's back, which is good. Yeah. The tunnel's back on.
Yeah.
And then there's another scene with a mirror with a girl. I didn't catch it, but if you look right, I don't know if she sits in the car with you, but overall it's quite good. Like it?
Yeah. But I feel like some of the stuff is still not working in there.
Yeah, it's quite dark in this, yeah. Yeah.
On.
Let's get going. The weather's not holding out for opening day of the season, is it, Willow?
No.
So it's pouring down, isn't it? Ride's still operating, but Icon seems to be open now, Revolution's open. So I think we'll just let the rain die down and then have another look around. There's always Wallace and Gromit.
Yeah? Why not?
So there's only one ride to go on in the weather when it's raining.
Pardon?
Wallace and Gromit. So apparently there's only a 10-minute wait. And it's indoor.
No, actually, I prefer.
Let's have a look at the Wallace and Gromit shop. What are they?
I have no clue.
Oh, look. What are they called? Nemesis now. We're going on that in 2 weeks. Well, I will. You won't be.
Why won't I be?
Don't know.
Did you get pop badges.
like magnets.
No, they're pop badges.
Some water bottles. How much are the water bottles here? 17 quid for a water bottle. All egg, £17. What is that? Fluffy kittens.
Fluffy.
And then this Preston in it. From your hometown. Do you know that's why it's called Preston, don't you?
No, I wasn't born in Preston, so it's not my.
So we just had a good ride on Wallace and Gromit, which is a good ride to get on when it's nice and raining. It's eased up a little bit. Yeah. Some of the stuff weren't working in there, was it?
No, but it's definitely got faster. And there's some new stuff in it as well.
And there's no smell pods. The bread smell pods is the best bit about it. It would be nice if they had the gravity wheel back in there. It's definitely what it needs, some indoor rides. Get Space Invaders back, which you never went on. Grand Prix's closed. I said you was going to go on Grand Prix as well. At least the bar's open. So the big one's shut. Infusion's shut. Let's go around here and see what else is there. So since there's an indoor cube below, we'll go on Big Dipper, yeah?
Yeah.
It's an indoor for now, and then it'll go. It's outdoor, isn't it?
Yeah.
I don't think I've been on this for like 3 years.
Me neither.
Nice little fountain. Yeah, may as well go on it while there's no queue. Fusion's still closed. Hopefully it'll open up later on when it dries up. Well, look, while we're here, got lots testing.
Yeah.
Fusion's going around getting tested, so hopefully
After this,
come off this and go on that, do you think?
Yeah.
Start queuing for it.
Yeah.
Here it comes round now.
Smells nice and smooth.
Get on that in a minute. We just had a wide ride on Big Dip, didn't we? Yes, it's a couple of years since we've been on it. Does seem a lot smoother than it used to be. Oh, food smelled good while I watched one. So we did see testing. It doesn't look like it's opening anytime soon. We'll wait and see. Yeah, so we stopped at Fusion. So we decided to get some donuts instead. So we used our season pass, didn't we? So it's meant to be £6.30 or something.
No, it's
And
just £6.
£5.40 each. So we get in the dry, have some donuts. The rain has stopped, ish. So it's time for, what's it time for now, Willow?
Pardon?
What's it time for? Icon. You still got your up?
Yeah.
The rain has stopped. Believe in the rain that has stopped. Let's go for Icon. just had 2 rides on Icon, front row and back row, in the rain, which did seem to be made it a bit slower, but still good. Still good to get back on it. There's a big one, still closed. I think they're still having some refurb work done. Some scaffolding over there. Revolution's currently closed as it stopped at the other end and they had to do a recovery. So I don't know where we're going next. So it was a good job. Icon was there because it was very reliable all day. So we got about 4 rides on Icon in the end. So it was good. Infusion started testing, but didn't open. Revolution closed down halfway through, Avalanche did. But what do you expect? It was wet weather and opening day. Hopefully it'll be better later in the season. And for there, we'll leave it there. Thanks for watching. We'll see you later.